So I recorded this video weeks ago and somehow was deleted. So I don't have to do it again. Thank God I got my notes because yeah, my video got deleted. So what I did was I was like, you know what, it's deleted, it's fine. I'll just continue using it and let you know, and then let you guys know how I like this. So hey guys, hey dolls, it's your girl Valisa, and on this video I want to talk to you guys about the Smart Clinical Repair APM and AM and PM retinol. Okay, if you guys hear breathing, it's my dog. He doesn't leave my sight, he's always with me. I'm a straight shooter and pow. I'm a very honest person. I work for Clinique, it's not a secret. I work for Estee Lauder, it's not a secret. And I am a true, honest reviewer. I'm not like these people on TikTok. This is so great, you should get it. No, I don't even get paid for these videos. What I'm gonna tell you guys is the truth about how I feel about this. I'm gonna tell you what I like and what I don't like. I'm gonna start with what I don't like about it. First of all, I have been using this for now 2 weeks, okay? And for me, I don't feel comfortable, especially me that I live in a sunny area. I don't feel comfortable. It says retinol, AM. I don't know how I feel about that because I don't use retinol during daytime. And technically, you're not supposed to. So, I don't like that. And it is a balm. So, it is the size of a chopstick, okay? A customer came to me when it first came out and she was like, I'm looking for this new chopstick that came out. And I'm looking at her like, purple chopstick, black honey. And she was like, no, it was actually purple. It's from the Smart collection. And I'm looking at her like, so once I got it, I got one and I started playing with it. It is a shape of a chopstick. You can tell that I have been using it. That's it. You can tell I have been using it because I have been using it. That's it. It was like this when I first got it. And now it's like this. It doesn't even, yeah. So I have been using it for weeks now. And I have to say that I didn't feel comfortable. I have rosacea. I have sensitive skin. Not too sensitive. Not like my mom who has really bad rosacea. Mine's like mild. But I do get very red and it feels like it's on fire. And I get irritation on my eyes. So using this, I was really worried. But I did try it. And of course, I live in a sunny place. So I have to use my sunscreen. AM and PM. I didn't have a problem using this at nighttime. Now, I wish the size of this was like the chubby stick blush or the contour. Have you guys, if you know Clinique, you know they have a chubby stick blush and contour stick. I wish it was that size. This is too small. And if you're a big girl like me and have a big oval face, this right here, like, yeah, no. I'd rather it to be bigger so I can aim the bigger areas, okay? It has 1% of retinol. I don't give a shit. I don't give a damn if it has 0% of retinol. I just don't feel comfortable using it daytime. So that's why I'm like, So the size, the retinol thing, it's not for me. I don't like it. So the good thing about it is that my skin is super dry and it does keep my face hydrated. It didn't irritate my eyes. I really did like how my skin felt after a certain amount of hours, and I'm gonna go take a shower and wash my face. Like for example, at the end of the day, I go in the shower and I wash my face. Like something about my face, it feels really nice. So I do like that. But I just don't feel comfortable during using it daytime. So at nighttime, I started using it and I love it. Because when I wake up, it does feels like nice and soft, and it's like a love and hate relationship. It's like that toxic relationship. I like it, but I don't like it. I would not use this at daytime. I really wouldn't. So, and the size is what bothers me. I did roll my notes because I'm gonna forget. Clinical Smart Repair AM Retinol Balm helps soften the mature skin. And honestly, I like to use mature skin because I don't like to use wrinkles, but it does help with the fine lines. Okay, it does help. I do not recommend this on young girls. I recommend this more 38, 40, mid 40, 50s, like that. I don't recommend this on young girls. But hey, do you, boo-boo, because now I see little girls using retinol. Why? I don't know. I blame the parents. Retinol hydrates the skin, and and one thing I like about this, it does has hyaluronic acid. Very important. I do like that. I really like, that's one thing I like this. So retinol, hyaluronic acid, and it does help minimize fine lines. So dry, if you have this is perfect for people who has very dry, it's like a balm, literally. It's like a balm for your face. If you have super dry skin or combination to dry, this is perfect for you. But honestly, anybody can use this. Anyone can use this. If you have oily skin, I would love for you to tell me how you like this on the comment section. Because when it comes to oily, I don't know, the balm and the oil, and I don't know how that's gonna work. And like I said, it's safe for people that have sensitive skin. One important thing, you should not have fragrance. I hate when people buy stuff, oh, it smells good. Like, I have girls that be like, oh my God, I love this cream. It smells so, I'm like, girl, your moisturizer should not have fragrance in it. What world you live in? It's 2024, almost 2025. You should know this by now. Use it after your serum or moisturizer if you want to use your moisturizer, because not everybody uses serum, which is crazy to me. I like to use my moisturizer, I like to use my serum, and I use my eye cream. So that's kind of like a routine. Serum, after you wash your face, serum always goes first. Always. I don't give a damn if you use this by itself or with your moisturizers. This goes with, this goes first. This goes first. Your serum always goes first. Then what I do is I let this dry. I let it dry. And then I go ahead and use this. But since I was testing this, I like to use this by itself. Okay? Just because I feel like I want to see how it feels. But it does work together. Or let me see. So far I'm playing with this moisturizer. Let me know how you like it. It's good, but it's not my favorite. But let me know how you guys like this one. And if you're gonna use this during daytime, and if you live in a sunny area like me, make sure you use your sunscreen. It's very important to use your sunscreen. So please, please, please make sure you guys use your sunscreen. This is how I have been using it. I like to put it right here, and then I go like this. Okay, and then I like to push it towards my hairline. You should not be putting this up here. It should not be up there at all. It should be up here. And I'm not gonna tell you what you should do. You should do whatever you want. This is how I do it. So definitely you should do you, boo boo. Okay, I like it right here and right here. Okay, and then here I go like this because we want to aim that wrinkle right here. Okay, look at my forehead. You see that? You see that, guys? That's what I love about this. But I wish it was like the chubby blush. So look, I'm dry. I don't know if you guys can see because I don't have lights. I don't have a setup. I'm in my bathroom. I don't have a setup. But look how it's super dry. But then right here, look right here. Look at that. Look at that moisturize. You see that? Yeah. So I like the fact that it gives me a hydration. There you go. So I like to aim that right here. Okay. And yes, I know some of you guys gonna be like, it's only one. It's only one. No, I have very dry skin that I want to feel calming. Like I want to feel, I don't know, like I like when I'm rubbing it and it's like calming. Like I love this, but I love this during nighttime when I was going to bed. I don't like this during daytime. Like I didn't feel comfortable using it daytime, and that's the truth. Yes, Nico, you leaving? Look, I'm already done. Look, I'm twisting it. That's it. Look, it don't last. So I don't like how it does. It needs to be bigger. Yeah, because look, I'm already done. See, I've been using this for less than 2 weeks. Yeah, less than 2 weeks. Because I was curious. Everybody kept coming, I want a chopstick. This does not go in your lips. It does not go in your lips. And this does not go under your eyes, straight under your eyes. It does not. It only put this where you want to see a big difference in your mature skin. That's where it should be. Okay. Bye guys. I hope I can be very helpful. And yeah, try Smart. I love Smart. I love it. I love it. I love it. But yeah, this I wish they did the like the chubby. It should be bigger so it can aim your whole entire face. I do like how it doesn't have a scent. I love how it keeps my skin very, look at that. Look at that shine. Period. What? Look at that. I look like I just came out of the water or something. Like it gives me like, I don't know, it's like refresh. So I really like that. Bye guys, until my next video.